Hi students, this is Ajanta ma'am. Please subscribe my channel, hit the like button as well as the bell icon for a complete analysis into your poems, short stories as well as your novel. Today I shall be discussing the important questions of the poem Haunted Houses by H.W. Longfellow. Now, as the title suggests, the Haunted Houses poem describes the general setting of every house which is visited by ghosts or spirits of its previous occupants. The poem appears, or rather is set in such a way that the spirits come and go as they please, and they can be seen everywhere, at the door, on the stage, stairs, along the passage, at the dining table, by the fireside. And these spirits are described as just visiting the house, going about doing what they want to do, running errands, and they do not make noise, they do not move things around, and they do not harm anyone. So these spirits are kind of friendly spirits who go about doing whatever they want to do. If you want an in-depth analysis into the poem, go back to my first video. These spirits are benevolent spirits of our loved ones who remain in our hearts and in our memories and our homes, loving us, reassuring us and protecting us. Now, the questions that are very important for this poem are: what is the central theme or the message of the poem? Now, if this question comes, what are you going to write? The central theme of the poem revolves around the passage of time and the inevitability of change and the haunting nature of memory. Because, as I said, these benevolent spirits of our loved ones, they are, memories of our loved ones who have passed away, which lingers on in our subconscious psyche, and they are constantly, they come in the forefront, and these spirits, the departed ones, these are the spirits of our departed loved ones, coming to us in the form of memories and keep our thoughts attached to them, and they seem to protect us and guide us and reassure us and love us. Therefore, the central theme of the poem would revolve around the passage of time, the inevitability of change, and the haunting nature of memory. Second question, very important question, is how does Longfellow use imagery? How does he use imagery and symbolism? How does he use imagery and symbolism in to convey the haunted atmosphere? This question itself is very important because there are a lot of symbolism in the poem. Longfellow uses vivid imagery of decaying, dilapidated houses overgrown gardens, deserted rooms to create a sense of desolation and haunting. And these images symbolize the passage of time and the memories that linger in these abandoned places. So, lot of symbolism is used by the poet to convey the haunted atmosphere. Next question. What is the significance of the haunted houses as a metaphor or symbol? Now, what is a metaphor? A metaphor is a figure of speech in which an implied comparison is made between different persons and objects. Some of the metaphors that are used in the poem is in the lines, "This perpetual jar of earthly wants and aspirations high." The next metaphor is, "And as the moon from some dark gate of cloud throws over the sea a floating bridge of light." So, these spirits which are described as visiting the houses at their own will and doing about whatever they want to do, so whatever errands they have to do, they go about doing it without disturbing anyone, without making a lot of noise. So in this question, in the third question, what is the significance of the haunted houses as a metaphor or symbol? In this answer, the haunted houses symbolize the past memories and ghosts of era that has gone by, or people who were dear to us once, who have passed away. These spirits serve as a reminder of the impermanence of life and the inevitability of decay and death. Nothing is permanent. Life is not permanent. So with time, life passes, decays, and finally passes. So the poet says that these spirits are silent as pictures on the walls. They are silent, they do not disturb. And therefore, these spirits can be used as a symbol for people who have been in our memories, who are etched in our memories, and they are the beloved spirits of our departed loved ones who come to us in the form of memories and keep our thoughts above the day-to-day problems of life, despair and depression. Thank you for watching.